Hello and welcome to Instrukart Holdings, your worldwide instrument partner. We've got a battery tester from Amprobe. This is the model number B80-200. Pretty lightweight, simple, analog, and it tests the battery very quickly. So you can test any type of battery, including the AA size, AAA size, the 9 volts battery, and even the button cells. I'll quickly demonstrate. This is how you have to just adjust and see how it is. So it's showing as good, which means the battery is in good condition and can be used further in the instrument. This is the AAA size. Again, the meter doesn't suggest that it's so good. It is in low condition, which means that it is coming to be replaced. Similarly, we can use the button cells just like that. And this is totally discharged. But if you see another one, it shows in good condition. So you can test a button cell like this. For a practical example, or when you have a good stock of batteries with you and you want to store it, please ensure that you don't connect these two batteries together and put it in storage, because this way it quickly discharges. So you have to ensure that there is some kind of insulation in between, something like this. If you are putting two batteries, I am just using a piece of paper in between, just to ensure that it is actually not getting connected to each other, and this way you can give life to this battery. So if you put the batteries like this, all the batteries like this, there are full chances that these all batteries will get discharged. And if I see all these batteries one by one also, this will all be in discharge state. For more information on this product and to reach our expert, you can always log into instrukart.com. Thanks for watching.